Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there, guys. There's some bullish updates in regards to Ripple. Quant has been pumping, which is really nice as well. Everything's happening in crypto, and I honestly believe that Ripple has won the lawsuit, all right? Now, I'm going to go through this. James K. Felon has put up a very interesting tweet and thread. We're going to read all of that, guys, because I think there's a tsunami coming. There really is, all right? Anyway, let's get straight into it today, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You guys rock. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people. So give it a good old thumbs up. It's down there, guys. Thank you very much. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. You guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye, especially in crypto, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. I was up late last night and I had a legitimate question in regards to how many people, actually watch YouTube for how long, all right? So we've got 5 hours a day. Is crazy. 36% of you guys. 10 hours, 20%. 24 hours plus is 9%. That is just wild. All right, that's wild. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the community tab today, guys. But I'm going to go into Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below, guys, so please feel free to use that if you wish. Of course, do your own research. You will get $10 in Bitcoin if you use it. All these prices you see here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD because I'm catering for everybody around the world and also my Aussie fans as well. Now, Bitcoin sitting at $29,000 today, Australian. It is down 1.4%. I'm not too worried. Ethereum's down 0.2% to $2,074. Guys, Ethereum's not doing too well at all. So I'm wondering, should I pull that money out of Ethereum? I don't know. Or put it into XRP? I'm thinking about it at the moment, guys. I really am. Anyway, keep moving on. So XRP's at 75 cents. Incredibly cheap, guys. This is not going to be at these levels for very long, guys. Honestly, in the next few weeks, we could see so much bullish news that this is just going to skyrocket to the dollars and probably onwards and upwards from there, right? That's just what I think is going to happen. Cardano's at 71 cents. You've got Solana at $52. Dogecoin at 9 cents. Polkadot's at $9 as well. Matic's at $1.19. Shiba Inu's up slightly today, and I'm still holding that, ladies and gentlemen, of course. Atom's at $21. Link is up 3.7% today to $12. Stella's at 18 cents. You got Near Protocol at $5 as well. Algorand's up to 61 cents today, which is really nice. BTT's in the green slightly. VeChain at 3 cents. Moving down some other favorites, of course, you've got Hedera at 9 cents, and Luna Classic is down nearly 8% today. So no idea what's going to happen with that one. I've just got a small position in that. Quant is still pumping, guys, up 1.84% to $177. This, for me, is definitely undervalued. I might cash out that Ethereum and put it into Quant, XRP, and all the ISO 222 coins, because that's where my money's going. Moving on, guys. Theta's at $1.74. Axie Infinity is at $20. Aave 118. IOTA, a banking coin, 44 cents. The Graphs at 15 cents. Moving down some other favorites, of course. Waves at $6 today. You got XTC down 3.28% today to 4 cents. Moving down some other favorites here. Rose is down to 9 cents as well. And Gala, 6 cents. Let's have a look at Reef. That's up 10% today. There you go. So that's a gem. I've been talking about Reef for a very long time. I think DeFi is going to make a massive comeback. Obviously, once we get regulatory clarity. So, refinance is definitely one to hold as a gem. Who was that there? It's not Gensler. I keep hearing noises in this office. I swear it's haunted. Anyway, XYO is up, obviously, 0.15% today at 1 cent. And, of course, we've got here Alliance Block ALBT sitting down today to 6 cents as well. All right, and the other one here is Casper. I don't know. Let's have a look. Here it is. So 4 cents at the moment is Casper. sorry. There you go, down 3.64%. I need to throw some money into this because this is definitely one to hold. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles to see what is happening here. And before I do, guys, the Patreon is doing well. The OGs, the real people, and I mean, you're all real people, but serious investors are signing up to this because I'm building a really bullish community, guys. So again, there is a link below, referral link. Please feel free to sign up to that and join the community, guys, because we're building a very bullish community. All right, losing my tongue now. Anyway, going to put up some interesting trading stuff I'm doing in there as well this afternoon. So stick around for that. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles right now. On the day, again, Ethereum proof of work is up 49% in a day. That is insane right there. 31% on the week. Stay away from this in my personal opinion. I'm not buying into this at all. $11 at the moment, guys. It was at $13, so it is down slightly from that. But I don't understand the utility. Like, what's the purpose of it? It has no utility. All these proof of, work coins. I mean, only one that's going to be around is Bitcoin, of course. But all the others, guys, the other altcoins, there's no real purpose. I mean, everything's going green anyway. Now, let's have a look here, guys. Link is in the green at 3.8% today, currently trading at $7.72. You've got eCash right here. I don't know. I've seen this one in the past. I'm not really interested, but that's up 2.2% today. What else you got here, guys? Raven Coin as well, 4.9% on the day, currently trading at 4 cents. That is pretty much it. And we've got our OGs, XLM down 3.9%. Oh, 3.9, guys. Still up on the month, which is really good as well. Where is XRP here? Because I can't even see it. I can see XDC right here, guys. Let's have a look. Up, obviously, guys, still on the week, 11%. That is bullish, guys. I'm still very bullish on that, guys. Now, and of course, XRP down 3.8% on the day. Still up 29% on the week, 38% on the month. This is nothing in comparison to what's coming, all right? Let's go to the news. Obviously, you've got here, guys, Ripple versus SEC battle here. Get rid of these stupid things here, guys. Leads to trader optimism as whale movement will hit, or XRP will hit $10 very soon. That would be a very, very nice outcome, all right? So, the court has approved the Chamber of Digital Commerce right here to request to file an amicus brief. And you got here, an amicus brief is a legal document that an entity or person files regarding a case in which they are not party to, but are willing to help by providing information. And earlier this week, the Chamber of Digital Commerce filed a motion to file its brief regarding the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. According to the Chamber's head, boring right here. Can you believe that name? Anyway, so the lawsuit status gives the client the chance to shape the framework for digital asset industry right here, guys. So again, this could set a massive precedence as well. That's why they're getting involved, because they don't want, there to be any sort of issues with the regulations that come out of this. Because once this case is decided, that's it. It's going to be used as case law for moving forever. So, guys, it needs to be done appropriately. Now, obviously, some other updates here, guys. Yes, it's all about XRP at the moment because I'm extremely bullish on it. But, guys, Ripple has already won the long-fought lawsuit against the SEC, all right? Going by the current market standards, cryptocurrencies, a price jump by 30% by all means is a big deal, and yes, it is. So Ripple as XRP has at one point shown a weekly price jump of around 64%. This is a clear sign of what markets think would result when the XRP lawsuit judgment comes. The regulatory scope of this case goes beyond just XRP for it to benefit the entire crypto ecosystem right here, and that's absolute facts, all right? So the judge, well, basically Ripple, obviously an SEC, await the judge in this, guys. So the final judgment in the long-fought Ripple versus SEC lawsuit is finally touching distance right here, guys. Is in touching distance, sorry. It is on December 9th. So we could get an early Christmas present, by which the date third parties file motions right here, whereas the deadline for opposing these motions would be December 22nd. Recently, the SEC and Ripple have filed their motions for summary judgment, guys, and it is not a security. This is the all more important in the context of increasing regulatory pressure around the crypto assets. The lawsuit outcome is expected to give clarity over digital assets, all right? So Ben Armstrong, BitBoy, feels that XRP is not a security. He said the official announcement that XRP is not a security will mean a lot for the crypto ecosystem, and I agree, it will. Now, for all intents and purposes right here, guys, Ripple SEC case is over. XRP is not a security. Once the formality of making this official happens, it's going to make it very difficult for the SEC to accuse any coin of being a security. This is going to be huge for crypto, and I agree. All right, so keep an eye on this, guys. And honestly, I think the SEC's lost a lot of steam. And once the judge sees their summary judgment as well, and James K. Felon has put some interesting stuff up about that. We'll read that in a second, so stick around. Quant adds 10% in 24 hours, while macro uncertainty pulls others. So interoperability right here, enabling network Quant, has gained 10% in the last 24 hours amidst the general crypto bear market. The token is obviously climbing up the price charts, while other tokens struggle. And obviously the crypto is steadily gaining, testing new highs after its yearly low in June when the price dipped below $50. And again, I bought it at that level. I told you I was going to buy it, and I did. So again, Quant blockchain was a project geared towards solving the issue of interaction among the multiple blockchains. Since its inception in 2018, the token began upward climb from below $1, accumulating right here an all-time high just below $400. That is ridiculous. So let me know in the comments below if you actually bought Quant below $1. I'm curious. Just don't tell me how much, but just if you did. All right, so the unprecedented event in the history of Quant took place around September 2021. Quant soared 200% from $187 to $490 on the month on a spike that analysis attribute to three factors right here. Guys, this is what I'm talking about, right? You know, when this case settles with XRP, we're going to see prices jump like 200-300%, bang, like that. It's going to happen overnight. So fast. Now, get rid of this stupid thing now. This is Forbes, all right? So check this out. Banks are about to face the same tsunami that hit telecom 20 years ago. So this is bullish, right? So I fear global bank regulators are about to make a decision that will unintentionally obsolete the banks. By prohibiting a coming tech pivot right here, making this mistake would guarantee that the tech industry continues going around the banks right as the internet native payment technologies are starting to scale. The telecom sector offers a cautionary tale when voice over internet protocol right here was invented in 1995, the good old days. Most people disparaged right here it as a technology that couldn't scale and wasn't a threat to the telecom giants. Then circa 2003, the technology to scale VoIP arrived, broadband, and within a flash, most telecom industries' copper wire networks became obsolete. Bitcoin is a money over internet protocol, as is Ethereum, potentially just as VoIP moves voice data around the internet natively, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum move the value of data around the internet natively. So most people obviously hear Bitcoin, Ethereum as protocols that can't scale and can't possibly threaten the incumbent financial industry. Or yes, they can, just as they obviously degenerated VoIP. But the scaling technology is now here, and it's called Lightning Network, which is Bitcoin Layer 2 protocol, right? So basically what this is saying is banks are going to become obsolete. And obviously the companies that I'm investing in right now, aka XRP, Ripple, Stellar Lumens, Sinfin, Algorand, IOTA, Quant Network, all of these companies and using their crypto assets basically are assisting the banks and financial institutions to transition to this new world. All right, so banks will become obsolete. And it wouldn't surprise me if crypto exchanges become the new banks. All right, Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, here in Australia, Coinspot, sorry, I'm losing my mind. All of these exchanges, FTX, all of them will become banks of the future. So to be quite honest, banks for me just want you to hold your money in their accounts so they can lend it out to earn higher interest and pay you absolutely nothing. That's where it's unfair with banks. And that's why I love cryptocurrencies, because I think it's time for a change in this space because banks have had too much power. Now, check this out right here, guys. Sorry about the pop-ups. Billions of people to use blockchain technology soon, the Pantera Capital CEO states. The increasing blockchain adoption in the next 4 to 5 years might lead to a price rally for some digital assets. Dan Moorhead, claimed Don Moorhead. Anyway, so the head of institutional asset manager Pantera Capital thinks there might be many distressed financial sectors in the years to come, but the digital assets industry will not be among them, which is insane. Similar to this previous statements, the executive argued that crypto bull market is on its way, while blockchain technology will be employed by billions of individuals in the years to come. Just wait for it. We're so early in the space. Have some patience. Now, Ethereum post-merge has become obsolete. Staked Ethereum is more capital efficient and more profitable than regular Ethereum. And platforms that offer liquid staking derivatives are bolstering its popularity. So there's Vitalik right there, not looking too crash happy right there. But anyway, there he is. Very sad. Anyway, so moving on. Let's go to Cryptometer.io. Some other stuff here, guys. Let's check where the money has been flowing in the last 24 hours. I like to do this because it's just curious. You've got Ethereum, BNB, DOT, Algorand, Bitcoin, Reef, Cardano. Have we got XRP there today? No, we don't, unfortunately. But, guys, I'm bullish on Reef and Cardano, of course. All right, so that's pretty much it there. Let's go to Twitter because I want to read you this thread from James K. Felon, and it's very, very important that we do this. All right, so let's have a look here. So, one of three. Here's the SEC's argument as I interpret it right here. We aren't saying XRP is a security per se. What we are saying is that any purchase of XRP as a matter of economic reality is an investment in a common enterprise with other XRP holders and with Ripple. How? How, man? You don't get any benefit to the company. Whether it's through horizontal, commonality or strict vertical commonality with other XRP holders and with Ripple. So while XRP not be a security per se, there is no other possible way to offer or sell XRP except as a security. And when you realize what the SEC is saying, no matter how it is framed, the judgment that the SEC wants is one that incorporates secondary sales. See screenshot below where the SEC uses the words a purchase and all units. Guys, this is madness. Anyway, this is what they're arguing, but guys, they're not going to win, in my opinion. Anyway, it's just crazy. Now, let's go back up here, guys, because I want to play this interview from Brad Garlinghouse. Have a listen to this.
So the summaries for the motions for summary judgment were just filed last week. They were made public on Saturday, which I'll mention very briefly. We had agreed with the judge and with the SEC to release those on Monday. They jumped the gun. And it's just this constant, I think, disrespect to the court process, right, and which we've seen time and time again. The judge in this case has ruled 5 different times that the notes associated with that infamous speech we're talking about should be turned over to Ripple. And they we still don't have them. We still don't have them.
There you go. Because they don't want it to go public because they will get absolutely destroyed. Now, fun fact, Hungary is the home of the first ever Satoshi Nakamoto Bitcoin statue in the world. That looks pretty cool, man. I like that. That's really awesome. And some people probably know who Satoshi Nakamoto is. It's probably a group of 3 people. I don't know. Now, fun fact, on average, 900 Bitcoin, $17 million are mined daily. That would be beautiful. I would love $17 million in the pocket. That would be very nice. Anyway, banking giant here, Nomura right here to move cryptocurrency arm to Switzerland, of course, because they are, the OGs for, innovation anyway with finance. We know this, and as well as Dubai. Bullish. I can't wait to go back. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 24 right now. John E. Deaton right here. Even without an Amici brief, XRP holders have already had a major impact on the SEC Gov vs Ripple case. As I'm reading the SEC's motion for summary judgment a 3rd time in preparation for our Amici brief, I wanted to say to the thousands of XRP holders who signed the sworn affidavits, that's bullish as anything. Now, check this out right here. I was up very late this morning, or early this morning, 1 a.m., This came out, guys. So an official announcement from Morningstar Japan, a subsidiary, anyway, tongue twister, sorry, of SBI Holdings to distribute 2,500 XRP to each intermediate shareholder. Subsidiary. Anyway, moving on. On September 22nd, this came out. This is all in Japanese. Again, I can't read Japanese, but you can see 2,500 XRP. Now, that's bullish. Why would they be doing that? Distributing XRP to the shareholders right there. So that's insane as well. Some other stuff right here, guys. The IMO right here, 2024 halving will again, and in line with the stock to flow model, have a big lagged out front run impact on Bitcoin. My prediction, Bitcoin will be $100K to $1 million in 2025, the yellow square, 5 times to 50 times from the current 19K in 3 years. This forecast is not accurate, but better, roughly right than precisely wrong. And I agree. I think Bitcoin's going to be absolutely massive. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. Let's go to CoinMarketCap to see what the total market cap is doing. $933 billion, $54 billion in volume. Yes, it's very low because it's the weekend. Perfect time to dollar cost average. And again, Bitcoin's still dominant. Ethereum is always second. But guys, I think XRP is going to flip Ethereum. Just saying. And if I go here, guys, this is where my money's going. Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, XLM, Algorand, Hedera, Quant, IOTA, XDC, Casper. I need to add in the portfolio. I haven't done it yet. And Alliance Block. But guys, bullish on XRP. Seriously, I'm bullish on this. This could pump, you know, like wild. It could just go absolutely insane. I don't know exactly where it's going to go, but just to put things in perspective, I think we will easily go back up to, 8,000%. I think we'll fly past that. Honestly, it's going to go mental. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much. Make sure you're following me on all socials, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Go join the Patreon page because I'm putting up some trading stuff today in that. It's going to be very interesting, and I'm trying something out, and I'm going to share that with my bullish community. All right, guys. Stay safe. Peace out. Bye.